Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So do you want to know how to make that interesting template? First be sure to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, go to the shapes and you have to add a rectangle which have rounded corners and you have to make it round like this. Now what you have to do is duplicate it 2 times and put it right here side by side, one above and the other below and the other a little bit more below. So that's how you do it. Now what you have to do is select all of them and group them by pressing Ctrl G. Now go to format shape and fill, and what you have to do is insert a picture of your own choice, and that's how it looks right now. Now the next thing you have to do is increase the angle and left offset and adjust the right offset as well, and go to line and remove any line, and now go to shadow and go to shadows and format shape and give them this inner top shadow. Give this inner top shadow to all of the three rounded cornered rectangles, and that's how you do it. Now let's close the format shape, and that's it. Now let's use the eyedropper to give a background color. Let me choose from few colors. I can use this blue color, but it's too dark, so let's use this light one. But this doesn't look nice as well. So let's choose this gray one, but let's change it. And so let's see which one will be okay. And I think this green is looking better, but it's not that much better. So let's change it to blue again. Yeah, this one. Yeah, that one looks better, but let's choose this dark blue for the end. So now it's time to give transition and animations. I'm gonna give this animation and I'm gonna change this direction from left. And that's how it looks. Now let's give the timing. Let's go to animation panel and increase the smooth gap. And this is how it looks in the preview. Follow for more.